What's up, guys? Welcome back to Carnegie Studios. My name is Chris, and today we're going to be covering 3 practice exercises that you can use to get better at playing octaves. Let's jump right into it. So what is an octave? An octave is the first and the 8th quote-unquote degree of a scale. When you play a scale, there are 7 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the C major scale, and then play 8. So playing an octave can be difficult because you're stretching your thumb and your pinky out to be able to play these notes, and also playing them at the same time can be difficult, especially when you're first starting out. It may be staggered and it may not be comfortable for you. And you may also have to just practice stretching out your hands and playing just the octaves without your other fingers getting involved. So it can be quite difficult. Here are 3 practice exercises that you can utilize in order to grow in proficiency and control. The first thing is your scales. Practice your scales with it. So right hand, come back down with it. That will help you to be able to play just those notes without playing the notes in between that your hands, your middle fingers can play. Now, you can practice that in your right hand, practice that in your left hand as well. The next thing is practicing chords. So this will help you with namely melodies, but also it helps with your left hand because you're playing a bass note at some point in time, especially octaves, right? Playing a chord progression. So literally, you can do this. C major 7, C minor triad, C minor 7, regular triad. And so you can mix and match whatever chords that you want to play, but just play it in an octave form. And then the third way you can play, the third practice exercise, is going up intervals. So play a minor 3rd, play a major 3rd, play a 5th, go to the 5th. So that will help you so that you can be able to develop the control that you need. Now, another thing that is highly slept on, practicing hands together. So what you can do, we'll practice that scale. Right? We can do that chord as well. The possibilities are endless. And so when practicing your octaves, remember this, it is helping you to develop that control that you need to be able to play melodies, the bass note in your chord progressions, and to develop just that skill set of being able to play certain notes without accidentally touching another note. And so there you have it, folks. 3 practice exercises that you can take so that you can develop your ability to play octaves. Thanks, guys, for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.